Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Learn with Manu. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Android mobile application. So the name of the application is Calculator. So in this application, we are going to create without writing a single line of code. That means we are not going to use Android Studio, but the application that we are going to use is MIT App Inventor 2. So as you can see here, layout. So in this screen layout, the name of the application is displayed as Calculator. We have again, and we have the first column and 4 rows. In the first row, we have a text box. So this text box is to take the first value, and in the second text box, this is to take the second value, and in the third label, in the third row, here in the label, it displays the result of the first value and the second value. So it does an arithmetic operation based on the operation which you give. So here in the last row, here you can see that we have 4 columns, and in each column we have one button. So this button is used to perform an arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So when you click addition, the first value and the second value will be added, and the result will be displayed here. So same as followed by. So let's go to the app creation in MIT App Inventor 2. So I'm very excited. So guys, now we actually came into the new tab. Now let me click Google. So I click MIT App Inventor 2. Yeah, here you got it. Yeah, let me go directly to MIT App Inventor 2. Here you will get an option called Create Apps. So now let's create apps. Yeah, it's a fun app. One sec. Yeah, so we got here. Let's start a new project. Here you will get a button called Start New Project. One sec, that's one before. So here you will get a project name. I will name as Calculator. One sec. Okay. Let me. Okay. So this one is actually always comes like that. I don't know why it comes. So we created a calculator. You can see here the name, and as I have shown you in the PP presentation that the screen layout, it looks same like that. And yeah, so here you can see a screen one. You can change the theme if you want, so I'll change the theme as dark. Here to create application, there are 2 things which we actually need to take care of. So the first one is designer, where we will design the layout, and the second one is blocks. So here we will write the layout. So here you can see these in the blocks column. Here you can see some built-in blocks, and here in the screen one you can see. And so as we didn't create any components, we are not getting. So as screen one is already there, we are getting a screen one option. So all the screen one options will be actually displayed. Yeah, so now let's go to the designer and let's design them. So here in here we will go to the layout and then go to the table arrangement. Yeah, so as I told you that there is one column and 4 rows. Here we need to actually change the rows and columns. So let me change here 1 and here as 4. So here you can see that there is only a small amount of table arrangement, but we need the whole rest of them. You need to go to the height option. It is actually available here. Click automatic and then you will uh, below the automatic you will have fill parent. Click it and then say okay, so that the half of the height will be, the full height will be covered. And next, if you want to cover the rest of the width, you need to go to the width and the same process will be added here. Yeah, so you got it. Now as I told you that in the PPT we need a text box, so let me add a text box. One sec, it's time. Another one for the second one, and for the result we need to use label, because I have told you that the label is the one which we use for the result. And to actually this for the buttons we first keep horizontal. First we actually place here the horizontal alignment, then we will actually go to the user interface, and then we will go to the buttons. So you can keep as many buttons, because as we have only 4 arithmetic operations in the basics, so we will just go with that 4 buttons as we have only 4. So we completed the designing part, but we forgotten one thing, guys. That's renaming the buttons, layouts and text box. So as I have told you in the presentation that the first one will be the first value, second value, result and those button names. Here we will first click the what you call the, I mean the uh, text box. Oh, it went there. Yeah, one sec. I'll just, yeah. So in the text box you will write here first value. Let me, one sec. Yeah, and you got first value here. Yeah, it's same, and then same will be followed here, but you will change the name as second value. One sec. Here it has been changed, and for the label you will again change the label as result, as the result is actually for the answer will be always a result. And now let's go to the buttons. In the buttons the first one will be plus. One sec, I did a mistake. The fourth button will be subtraction. The third button will be multiplication, and the second button will be division. Yeah, one second. Yeah. So check whether these buttons are in center. Yeah, it's center, center and center. All are in the center. So now we completed the screen layout. Now let's go to the blocks. One sec. I forgotten to tell you guys that we actually we need to change here the name of the buttons and the labels, and in the first value and the second value which I gave here in the text, that was a mistake, guys. We need to write in hint. So if we write in the hint, you will get properly. Now let's go to the blocks. So as you can see here, we will go to first to the add button. We will click the add button, then we will go to the result key, and then we will go to the set result bar text here. Yeah, it'll be perfect. Then you will go to the math in the built-in blocks, and here you can see we have an addition here. So if we go to the here in the uh, what you call the second value text box, here you will get an option as text. Yeah, here it is. So this one will be in the first, and you will copy and paste so that you will this one will be the first one. So yeah, you completed. This one will be copied and you can paste it 4 times, because it will be one is for the addition and another one is subtraction and another one will be for the multiplication. So here we will click as new as multiplication division. So here we need to remove these texts. This one should be deleted because this one's not addition. We need to go against the math, and here we need to drag the subtraction, and then you fix it. Here in the multiplication, you'll same process will be added here. I think we can change. No, thought we can change, but I didn't. Let's go to the multiplication. We will add there. Yeah, and here we will remove this what you call that, can remove. So the same logic will be applied, but here you need to just change the division for the division, multiplication, subtraction and addition. So you completed the logic. That's it. And the final step is to check whether the your app is surely ready or not. So here in the here at the top you will see a option called build. Click that option. The first one will be app, provide QR code for APK. Another one is app, save APK to my computer. So as we need to have a QR code, we will click the first one. It will be loading. One sec. It takes some time. Yeah, it completed. Now the QR code will be coming. Yeah, it came. So um, now let me open my mobile to see whether to scan the QRL and to install the application. And now I will record the mobile screen. One sec. So now I am in my mobile. So let me click the scanner app. So now I'll scan the QR code. Yeah. So now let's go to the website and we'll go to the downloads. Yeah, so I'll click OK. Yeah, so one sec. Yeah, you got it. Now let's install. Yeah, it's installing. So as we created this application, we'll just say install anyway. Okay, so we'll do not send anything. So now let's open. Yeah, so the first value will be 200 and the second value I'll give as 100. Now let's add. Yeah, so 200 plus 100 is 300. So this is correct. What if I actually take OK? Now let's, yeah, so this is even correct because 200 minus 100 is 100, and then when you multiply, yeah, it's correct and it's correct. So our application is successful. So thanks guys, hope you enjoy my video, and please like, share and subscribe. Bye.